What up, though, fam? It's your homeboy Grand Tizzle. And y'all probably saying to yourself, man, who is this guy that sounded so confident behind the microphone in these YouTube streets? Like he been there and done that. I have. I've been there and done that. I've been on YouTube since 2005, man, when they first came out, man. It was called todaysbeats.com. But what I want to show y'all today is how we're going to use I'm doing music for another channel, right? I'm doing music for another channel. This is a song, and I'm gonna show you how I use Reason and how I use Suno to create the production or the overall production. And so right now the way I use Suno, I kind of use Suno like it's a sampler, you see, or like it's what's the word I want to use? Like it's a virtual assistant, for lack of better words. One second. I'm gonna show y'all something. Now, if you know me, you know that I do graphic design tutorials, and I started off doing music production tutorials. I leaned away from the music production tutorials because it kind of was getting saturated, and a lot of people, where the algorithm changed, and YouTube wasn't serving me to my original people. And then it started getting saturated. People was going, all over different places. And I had to, find ways to keep, the income going on YouTube. So I kind of just switched over to graphic design. But I'm always doing really anything media. That's why I'm called Red Art Media. So the thing is, I'm coming back. Actually, I should have came back, but I wanted to learn as much as humanly possible with Suno before I started bringing tutorials. So now there's a lot of things, a lot of tweaks, a lot of quirks, a lot of things that I've learned about Suno and how I integrate Suno along with Reason. So as a producer, I would highly encourage you that if you're watching this video, I highly encourage you to get Suno. And I highly encourage you to join up for my training, my video training. I'll have a link somewhere in the description, because this is actually my very first Suno video. And what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to kind of just show you my process of what I do when I'm producing music for the channel, for this cartoon channel that's coming out. Now, these people, they way bigger than me. I was just a little channel, but they way bigger than me. We about 100 songs in with them. But it could not have been possible without Suno. I use Suno primarily I did my own production for, I think, the first 30 songs. But when I was introduced to Suno, and there's probably some other good ones out there, if not better, but I had stuck with Suno just like I had stuck and locked in with Reason. I also stuck and locked in with Suno. I need to erase some of this stuff, because you know what? When I do this, everything gets lost. But what I want to say about Suno, there's some tweaks and there's some quirks, and there's a few different things that I want to teach you about Suno, because one, I encourage you to get Suno, and two, I am going to train you to help you to go past the trial and error part, right? So I'm gonna educate you and really fully and help you to be able to design really good quality production before you even go off into investing, so that you can know what to look for. And then I want you to always come back to the channel for even more, different tips and things like that. Now, I'm a connoisseur, I'm a music producer, but I'm a connoisseur about good quality music production. I don't play around with it. That's the reason why I waited this late to break all of this stuff down to you, to even talk to you about it, because I wanted to almost be a soft expert, for lack of better words. I wanted to kind of be a soft expert with this place, and before I start trying to bring it to you, because I didn't want to go through some things and not really, giving y'all have questions and things like that. So you'll notice here I got 16,000 credits. Well, that's because I invested in the whole year. I paid, I think it was $200 to $300 for the whole year. And I encourage you to do that. If you're serious, I encourage you to do that. And you might as well do it through my link. I don't, you know what? I don't even have no affiliate set up yet. I don't think so. And I don't even know if they got affiliate. But if they do, definitely go through me. But before you join, watch a few tutorials first so that you can really know and understand. And come and follow me, because if you know me, and if you don't know me, you can ask. I don't leave nothing out. I walk you through every single explicit detail, step by step, on how to get the best production out of any software. I know I probably talk long, but you know what? I kind of don't care, because the only people that's going to come here and watch and listen all the way through are the pioneers, the real ones that know me. So yeah, I do a lot of yapping, but at the end of the day, you're going to benefit from it. So today, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to break nothing in particular down. We're not going to talk about a specific topic, but what I am going to do is show you the process, and I'm going to talk you through the process on what I do with my music when I'm trying to get some unique, very unique and particular sound and production for this kid music. See, so we're taking the kid approach, but of course we're doing hip hop, and I need to go ahead and put this pop filter on there because it's really driving me crazy to keep hearing pow, 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 like Waka Flocka or something like that. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second, man. But anyway, y'all. So anyway, that's what we're going to be covering today. So y'all go ahead and get ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it popping. So this is the last song. We got another batch. We do like 7 batches, and I can't. Well, I guess I can disclose the amount. I'll disclose the amount in my training series. I'll disclose the amount, because I may even hire y'all to put some money in y'all pocket. But so let me show you something real quick. So the first thing I do is I work with a producer, where actually she's a songwriter. And what I tell her to do, I just say, find what you need, find what you like, record to it, and then give it to me. And we both work in Reason. Actually how we do Reason, she's actually using my account. Little secret tip. But anyway, let me play what she recorded. I'm just going to play the verse and then this, and then I'm going to show you the process on what I do to change the dynamics and change the whole vibe and flavor of the song. So okay, yes, so I just seen that the audio didn't work. I had to switch some settings. Okay, anyway, let's get back to it. So I'm gonna just play a little. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna play the last verse and then the first couple bars of the hook.
Stretch your arms up high, reach up to the sky. We're gonna have some fun, you and I. We're gonna stretch it out. Na 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 na. Stretch it out.
Okay, so now let me explain to you why I have her write to an instrumental. It's for the tempo, for the correct tempo, because I need the accurate, exact tempo for what I need to do, and it's also for the key. I changed the music up totally and completely, and I'm about to show you right now. So I already mixed this down. So this is Stretch It Up. I already mixed it down. So now let's go over here to Suno, and what I do is we go over to Create. Now I could play some old songs, but you know what? Let's just go from scratch. I hit my Create. I go to Audio, and I upload the audio. Now I'm gonna show you how I break this all the way down. So we're gonna go over to the folder and ignore all my stuff, y'all. I got too much, man. I be doing too much. So we're gonna go to Stretch It Out, and we're going to select the song because I mixed down the whole song, and we're gonna open the whole song. We're gonna upload it. So we're going to hit Save, and then we're gonna go to Cover. I tried everything else. The best one for now, for my technique, is Cover. Okay, guys, if you want to finish going down the rabbit hole, make sure you click this video right here, and we can continue the session. The things I'm going to show y'all in this next video is going to be absolutely bananas. You don't want to miss it. See you there.